Hello dear students, I have discussed the conditions for two straight lines for to be parallel or perpendicular or coincident in previous class. Today I will discuss angle between a pair of intersecting lines. It belongs to chapter 11 straight lines in plus 2 first year course mathematics. So here given slopes, you should understand here slopes of two lines are given. Okay, so how can we find angle between two lines? Okay, you should understand here I have drawn L1 straight line, here L2 straight line. L1 straight line makes theta 1 angle with x axis, right? With x axis in anti-clockwise direction, and L2 makes theta 2 angle with x axis, let's say. So angle between two straight lines will be what? Theta 2 minus theta 1 or 180 minus theta 2 minus theta 1. Okay, here bracketed. Okay, so this angle or this angle. Okay, between two straight lines this angle is possible, or we can say this angle is possible. Okay, so now we will derive the relations. You see, tan theta 2, you see tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1, you see, before going to this, you see tan theta 1 is equal to m1, say. Okay, tan theta 2 is equal to m2, let's say. Okay, you see tan theta 2 minus tan theta 2 minus theta 1, that is equal to, you know, tan a minus b formula. So that is equal to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1, that is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. Okay, you see, or you see tan, now we will see tan 180 minus theta 2 minus theta 1. So that is equal to, you know, that is equal to tan 180 minus what? Something is equal to minus 10 that. So now that will be, so tan 180 minus theta 2 minus theta 1 is equal to minus 10 theta 2 minus theta 1. So that is equal to minus 10 theta 2 minus 10 theta 1 by 1 plus 10 theta 2 into 10 theta 1. Okay, 10 theta 1. Okay, so that is equal to minus m2, you see, m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. Okay, so you see, so now we found the angle between, we can write in symbolically, let's say phi, angle between two straight lines. Okay, let's say phi. So tan phi is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1, it is possible, or minus what? m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1, it is possible. So we can write tan phi is angle between two straight lines. Okay, so between two straight lines. Okay, this angle is possible or this angle is possible. So tan phi is equal to plus or minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. That means the phi has two values. Phi, the values of phi is 2. Okay, it has two values. Okay, so we will later time we will discuss the problems. Some students complain that problems sir, you are not doing problems. Okay, later time I will do some problems relating the concepts so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, so taking this formula, knowing this formula, you can find the value of phi. Phi will be what? Phi will be tan inverse. Okay, tan inverse what? Plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1, right? This is the concept. Okay, so applying this formula, you can find the value of phi. That means the angle between two straight lines. Okay, so phi has two values. Okay, later time we will discuss the problems. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.